The wave stitch is worked over a multiple of 14 plus 1 stitches. So what I have here is 29 single crochet. 28 is a multiple of 14. One more makes 29, so that's a multiple of 14 plus 1. For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and then single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches, half double crochet into each of the next 2, double crochet into each of the next 2, and then treble crochet into each of the next 3. Treble crochet is where you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. There are 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a treble crochet. We're doing 3 of those. Double crochet into each of the next 2. Half double crochet into each of the next 2. Okay, now we hit the repeat section. So this is the part you repeat depending on how many multiples of 14 you did in your first row. So the repeat section is single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 2, double crochet in each of the next 2, treble crochet in each of the next 3, double crochet in each of the next 2, and then half double crochet in each of the next 2. That's the end of the repeat section. You keep repeating that part, starting with that single crochet in each of the next 3 until there are only 2 stitches left. Once there are only 2 stitches left, you just put a single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. So there is row 2 of our wave stitch. Row 3 of the wave stitch is super simple. You chain 1 and then you single crochet in each stitch across. So we single crochet in the first stitch and in each stitch across. That's all that row 3 is. Super simple. Here we are finishing up row 3 where we just chained 1 and then single crocheted into the first stitch and each stitch across. So here we go. The completion of row 3. Now for row 4, we need to start off by getting our hook up to the level of a treble crochet. Okay, normally when we need to get up to a double crochet, we do a double chain 2, right? So for a treble, we're doing a double chain 3. All we're going to do is insert our hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, so there's 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you see how we have these 2 legs coming off our stitch? We're going to insert the hook into the farthest leg, yarn over, pull through, so now there's 2 loops on our hook again, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that's a double chain 2. Now to make a double chain 3, we simply repeat that last step where we have these 2 legs coming off our stitch, right? We're going to insert the hook in the farthest leg, yarn over, pull through, so there's 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And that gives us our doubled chain 3, which is basically just a really thick chain 3, right? Now we are going to treble crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet in each of the next 2. Half double crochet in each of the next 2. Single crochet in each of the next 3. Half double crochet in each of the next 2. Double crochet in each of the next 2. And then here's where we get to our repeat section. Our repeat section of row 4 is treble crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And you just repeat that repeat section. Okay, depends on how many multiples of 14 you started off with. until there are only 2 stitches left. Once there are only 2 stitches left, you are going to treble crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. And there we have row 4 of our wave stitch. Row 5 of our wave stitch is another super simple row. It is exactly the same as row 3. We chain 1 and then we single crochet into the first stitch and into each stitch across. So just chaining 1 and then single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet in each and every stitch across. That is all it takes for row 5. So now we're finishing up row 5 where we just single crocheted across. Start with a chain 1 and then single crocheted all the way across. Here is the end of row 5, our completion of row 5. Now you just keep on repeating rows 2 through 5 as many times as you like until you get to your desired height. If you want this to be an even height across, you do need to end with a repeat of row 5. I have repeated rows 2 through 5 one more time to make this fun little multicolored wave stitch where I change colors every single row so you can really see what happened. And now I'm just going to put a gray border along the top just like I have along the bottom. So all I'm basically doing is the same thing I did as rows 3 and 5. I'm just going to chain 1 and then single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in each stitch across. That's all I'm doing to add that top border just to mirror the bottom border. So I will have a nice, pretty, complete swatch. Here we have our completed wave stitch swatch, and even though it does wave a bit here, keep in mind that the height is even all the way across, all right? So it can be used inside of other straight stitches. It does count as a straight stitch. If you blocked this so that the bottom were a straight line, then the top would also end up being a straight line because, as I said, it is an even height all the way across. It just tends to kind of wave a little bit when it's in a small swatch.